What's up guys, we are back with the latest Galaxy S23 news, Samsung responding to the Galaxy chipset and recent rumors. We also got another camera leak, and finally the state of the under-display camera for the S22 Ultra is now revealed. As we have heard in the latest news that Samsung is quitting Exynos for 2 years to focus on this dream Galaxy chipset, which is set to come by 2025, a proper Apple M series competitor. After a week later, when this news first came out, a spokesperson from Samsung said this to Sam Mobile: "While we are continuously engaging with customers to develop competitive mobile processors, no specific decision has been made." This is very interesting as Galaxy S23 series is quite a bit far away, so a lot of things can still change. As we know, the Exynos 2300 does very well exist. Things could still take a turn. Well, I sure hope not. A further update on this was provided by a few leaksters on Twitter, basically saying that the Exynos 2300 indeed exists, but there's no guarantee if Samsung will use this on the Galaxy S23 lineup. Perhaps it all depends on the performance and the outcome of what this chip can deliver. We don't even know if there's going to be a second gen AMD GPU with this chip, so that whole thing is also very sus. It's very likely that they're gonna go with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 all the way. For the future Galaxy chipset, Samsung has taken some pretty big decisions. They recently had a big meeting with Netherlands to secure a high-tech machinery for the future chips based on 3nm and 2nm architecture. They've also invested like $17 billion or something in their Texas chip plant for that next-gen chip production. With all these big decisions and long-term investments, they're definitely making some favorable moves for the Galaxy chipset. Technology is getting better and better, and guys, if you're lazy like me and struggle with cleaning your room, you should definitely invest in a self-cleaning smart vacuum cleaner. The all-new Dreamy Bot D10 Plus is here to do the most efficient and next-gen cleaning thanks to its 4000 PA suction pressure. Most vacuums do not have this power of suction, which is why Dreamy Bot D10 Plus is unique. It cleans in neat rows to ensure no spots are missed. It's got a LiDAR navigation system that builds a high-precision map of your room in just minutes for that ultimate cleaning level. The dual boost technology empties the dust box in seconds with very minimal noise, plus the 2.5 liter sealed bag can actually collect 45 days of dust and dirt. You can also set no-go zones, cleaning timers, and more with the official application, plus it's got all the support for voice control with Google Assistant and Alexa. It's time for you to clean like a pro with the Dreamy Bot D10 Plus. Be sure to use my special link in the description to get this beast now. Alrighty, just today we got this new info regarding the zoom camera setup of the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus. According to Galaxy Club, it seems like, at least on paper, Samsung is still bringing a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom for the S23 and the S23 Plus model. Very likely this could be the same sensor. There's no info regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra zoom, but considering how Apple is bringing the periscope zoom setup on the iPhone 15 very likely next year, Samsung could go extra mile with the S23 Ultra. Something like 15x optical zoom or 20x would be pretty insane. Again, that's something that I hope for. We don't have any info regarding the zoom setup of the S23 Ultra as of now. Now we do have some info on the under-display camera for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and well, according to this fresh news coming from South Korea, Samsung's UDC is far from ideal in its current stage, which is why they're not gonna be using this on the S23 Ultra. Instead, they're gonna give us something that's equally impressive in my opinion. Brand new selfie sensor on all Galaxy S23 models are expected. We could finally see more megapixels on front camera across all models. So that's all of this news. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, make sure to comment below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.